What are different ways to start off the presentation? I mean, for the introduction, the main objective is how do you engage the audience, right? Now, today I want to just talk a bit more about quotations. There are two kinds of quotations. The first one, it's the evergreen quotation, like practice makes perfect, knowledge is power, facts tell, stories sell. The other one would be something that someone said and you're quoting it. Now, if you're going to use the latter, then do give due credit to that individual. Cite the source, because otherwise it may be seen as just plagiarizing, just copying someone else's idea without giving due credit. The other one is if you're going to use evergreen quotations, what you can do to spice things up a little bit is if you can modify it. Why? Because of the concept called novelty. Anytime the mind experiencing something novel, something that is new, it's very, very sticky to the human mind. For instance, when you have practice makes perfect, this particular quote has been used over and over again, so much so that it's a cliche already. And some famous individuals, trainers, we've even heard like people like Tony Robbins, they will say, facts tell, stories sell. Practice makes perfect. They will modify it. Practice makes perfect. For instance, if you do 1 + 1 = 8, if you practice that over again, would you be perfect? No. You'll perfect the mistake, yes. So it's not practice that makes perfect, but perfect practice that makes perfect. So when you modify it to the audience, you'll be like, wow, there's something very, very different. So you can make use of that modification to create novelty for your audience.